Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for August 21st, 2019. We're going to start it out with the SPY. Yeah, watching the price action really early this morning. And we've been kind of going sideways here. I'm going to be bullish above 292.50. That's really a key level. Need to see that broken today to reach higher highs, and we're going to be bearish below 290.75. That's a really key level as well, and if that happens, we could have a retracement. We're trying to break out of this wedge. See this here? We'll see if indeed we end with a wick at the top, or if they close above that, right? That would be bullish. We have this W pattern. Right, and yeah, if we do close above here, then I can see a sharper move up, maybe even higher, all the way to 300, who knows. But let's just take it one level at a time. So let's go to the E-minis. Been watching the pre-market volume on that. Most of the volume happened between 29.18 and 29.20. So I'm going to be bullish above 29.2250. And bearish below 29.15. You can even see the VWAP. That's where most of the volume has happened. 29.15.60. So yeah, if we do go below that, we could get a retracement back down to the 4 EMA. Let's go to the Russell. IWM, yeah, watching this one very carefully. We've had some very interesting prints coming in on this one. We were up and looks, no, we're still up there. This is a late print. The reason that we've gone down here is, yep, see this guy? 149.42. This is the dark pool FADF exchange. And that is just a late print from yesterday's close, most likely, 149.42. But we were going to be bullish above 150.50. And bearish below 149.70. Yeah, but you can see the bid here is at 150.09, so we're not there yet. But this is really key to watch. IJR, that was the massive 3 million print that we had the other day at a Monday, 76.61. So are we splashing down and now we're going to move above it? So that is the key to watch today. I'm not going to trade IJR, but definitely going to watch this for the next move on the Russell. Let's go next to the QQQs. The QQQs, we had a new level, dark pool level yesterday, by the way. Yeah, it's been a while. Not the biggest level, though. Let's not get too excited. But 188.30, 2 million late prints. And we are testing that this morning. And this is really from Monday. Yeah, they so sneaky. They hide those trades until the next day. So we're just shy of that. So that it will be a key level to watch today on the QQQs. I will be bullish above 189 and bearish below 187.87. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ futures bullish above 77.45. There was a lot of pre-market volume between 77.28.75 and 77.39.50. So bullish above 77.45. I always want to be bullish above that pre-market volume and bearish below it. So 77.25 for that. And let's just go to the Dow E-mini futures. And also I did assess the pre-market volume on that as well. Bullish above 26.125. Bearish below 26.050. Does like to trade really well on the $25 increments. Let's go to the oil futures. Yeah, those are rocking and rolling this morning. We just tested my bullish level here. 57, we didn't quite get up there. So there was a lot of pre-market volume at 56.40 to 56.86. And yep, it looks like they're testing that top volume right now on it. And yep, so that's why I picked 57. If we can break above 57, that's a major level. Then bullish above and bearish below 56.37. Right about here. If we do go down, we'll come down to the pivot. So those are the really key levels to watch there. And I might as well stay here for the gold futures. Gold futures, we're going to be bullish above 15.15, above this pivot. And we're going to be bearish below 15.07. It's a really key level right here, S1. If we break below S1, that's going to be bearish. And I'm going to be going over the levels on GLD to watch because we have had a lot of massive prints on that, as well as some prints on IAU recently, except that's a very slow vehicle to trade. So we're going to definitely trade GLD and GDX, but just stay tuned for that at the end. I'll go over those levels. Let's go to PDD, Pinduoduo, something I never trade, but it had earnings and it's hot this morning. So bullish above 29.50. There was a seller here this morning. Let's see, can't see him right now. He was there earlier. So I do definitely think that that's going to be a big level to watch. If it can break above that, gap and go. But if not, bearish below 28.25. Let's see if there's a guy there now. Yeah, they do move around, but they show their face early in the morning, so it definitely pays to get up early. There is a buyer right now at 27.59. Yep, so keep that in mind as well. In fact, I'm just going to keep this last level on the short side. I'm going to change it to 27.59 and put that in here, 27.59. Okay. All right, let's go to the next one, AMD. A lot of prints on this one recently, and it's really not moving too much this morning. But watch it, because again, massive prints, 31.89, 31.98, and 31.49. We are below those prints. So I'll only be bullish above 32. Okay, it's really, really key. We need to break above all those sell prints for me to get bullish again, although we did have a massive one over here. But still, I'm going to be bearish below 30.80 for AMD. Let's go to Apple. Apple bullish above 212.50, and we're going to be bearish below 211 for Apple. And I did put these prints, the most biggest recent prints. You can see, remember that 217.05 sell print that we had back here? Yeah, that was a big one. We still have not broken above that. So again, they were selling there. And then we had some buy prints at 208.60. and 208.10, and we're above that. So we're kind of sandwiched in between those big prints right now. So we'll just trade it level to level. Target had bullseye earnings. Holy cow, I did post this push notification out earlier because I do know a lot of you do trade pre-market and wanted you to have those levels to watch. Bullish above 97.50. We hit all my targets for Target already on the long side. Let me just check out and see where the guys are loaded now. So there is a seller at 99.75. All right, so keep that in mind. Yep, for a last target if you're still in this, 99.75. And there is a seller at 100. Look at that. So that would be a good place to exit. Oh, look at that. We're coming right up to 75. So what they'll do is they'll take it right up to where the biggest guys are loaded to buy and sell. And yep, look, did they take him out? I think they just engulfed him. Did you see that? Yep. 99. We are trading a lot at that 75 level. Wow, that was pretty cool to watch live. See that on ARCA? Yeah, he got filled. He switched over there. He's getting filled though. Yeah, it's trading a ton at 75. See that? So cool. It's refreshing. All right, so that's a key level to watch today. Yeah, that's 75. See, he keeps coming back there on the bid. Yeah, that's key. Bullish above, bearish below. 99.75. All right. Let's move on to the next one. I could really watch this all day. I almost don't want to leave this because it's such a great lesson for you to watch. I'll stay here for another 20, 30 seconds. Yeah, but ladies and gentlemen, this is refreshing. So cool. It keeps adding to it. See that? He just added more. Yeah, he's getting everything done at that level. Yep. Now they're going to nip. So if we do go below that, yep, that would be bearish today. Yeah, that would be key level. But yep, that was so cool to watch. Wow, target. Okay, let's go to the next one. Low. Low bullish above 110.25. It's going to be a key level on the upside. Bearish below 108. Yeah, if we do start to break down below that, then I can see a retracement trade back down to some pretty big support levels. Let's go to USO. USO, we're going to be bullish above 1180. We are there right now. This is the T spot. Yeah, we are broken out of this downward trend. You can see right here. Yeah, if we do close above here, that's going to be bullish. And there's a lot of room to the upside here. So watch USO. Now, I know some of you may trade UCO. This is very crazy to trade, but I know a lot of you do. 1820 is a key level to watch for that. All right, but just keep in mind it's crazy. Let's go to XOP. XOP, bullish above 2260, does not have a lot of pre-market volume, but we had massive prints yesterday, so had to put this on today. So the big prints were 2222 and 2211. So bullish above 2260 and bearish if we do go below all those prints below 22. That would be my bearish zone. Let's go on to IQ. IQ had big prints as well. We're going to be bullish only above 1820 and bearish below 1750. Also does not have a lot of pre-market volume, but had to put this on there. JD, also another one that had big prints yesterday. Bullish above 32 and bearish below 3150. And I did put the big prints that we've had recently right here. And we are below the print, so watch this 3150 level on JD. Yeah, so let's go to gold. Yeah, GLD. So we do have the Fed, the minutes coming up, and gold and bonds, which I'm going to get to in just a second. Yeah, it could be crazy. So we have had massive prints, 142.59, 143.44. We're below that right now. 142.92, 142. This last one, 140.105. Yep, that would mean smart money selling at the top. So we're going to be bearish below 141.37. We just dipped below that right. We're right on it right now. Yeah, but watch that 141. That is the last dark pool recent level on GLD. We'll see what happens this afternoon, but those are definitely the key levels to watch moving forward. And we did have some really big prints on IAU yesterday. 1.1 million at 14.35, and it's a slow vehicle to trade. And we had 14.36. So this is what tipped us off to the gold rally back in April. If you recall, we had massive prints. I mean, the biggest I've ever seen on IAU back in April. They just didn't move it until they were done getting in. That's how gold works. And so yesterday we had about, let's see, 2.8 million. Yep, at the top here. We had, I'm going to tell you, like 96 million at the bottom, just to show you the difference. So definitely profit taking going on, but there's a lot of massive prints on GLD. So again, we're going to watch these levels, and if we do stay below this, yep, definitely want to go short on gold. Okay, so keep those in mind. All right, let's go to PBR. We had a very big print yesterday on PBR. No pre-market volume, but I do love to trade this one when we get big prints. This is Brazil oil. And we're going to be bullish above 13.25 and bearish below 12.87. Oh, Susie Q just said in the Java pit, oil inventories today. That's right, Susie. It's Wednesday. So be careful. After those inventory numbers come out, that's when I love to trade this. Somebody definitely knows something ahead of them, Susie. Wouldn't you say? With all those big oil prints we had yesterday? I think so. The same way they have prints before earnings on low yesterday, right? Remember that one? Somebody definitely pays for special research. It's not us, but we definitely follow them. Okay, TLT. Gotta watch this one. Is it the top or not, right? So I'm going to be bullish above 145.25 and bearish below 144. If you recall, we had that big print on TMV recently. This is the bear, very dangerous to trade ETF, 3 times the speed of the 20-year treasury. And 1035 is a key level to watch. If we do close above that, that's when I like to buy puts on TLT. So I'm not going to trade TMV, but I'm going to definitely watch it for the level. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for August 21st. Until next time, happy trading.
That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.